Hey Eddie, you gonna walk? Hmm? What are you doing? You being silly? You were just talking non-stop. Hmm? Yeah. Hmm. Stand up. Come here. Eddie. No. Yeah, this is her new favorite thing she can do now. That daddy and mommy don't like her to do. Yeah, where's the laptop? Whoa, what is it? Alright. You just gonna sit and hang out? Yeah. Yeah, come here. Let's go sit in your chair. There you go. Well, what do you think about that? You want to walk a little bit? Come here, Addie. Come on, let's walk. Come here. Good girl. Addie, good girl. Nope. Let's stand up. Come on. Alright, well, it's a little video for now. She has been walking a little bit more on her own. So, she just loves sitting on the couches. So, might be a little rock climber, who knows. Alright, we'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Say bye. Blow a kiss. Blow a kiss. Say bye. And then blow a kiss. One more kiss. Addie, gonna blow one more kiss? There you go. Alright, see you guys later. Bye.